Jollibee. Kasama po rin si Mommy at ang aking kapatid at ako. Hello po!
Ready?
Yes!
Are you ready?
Yes!
Are you ready?
Yes! Yes!
Let's go! Sino una? Okay, go! Oh.
Let's see.
Wow!
It's Puchaco! It's Puchaco.
Okay. Close your eyes. Go! Next. Dali.
There's instructions. This.
Paano yan?
Meron kasi instructions na
Okay.
Wash us. Wash us. Yan!
Next. Open natin yan. Open.
I already did it. This is Puchaco. I unbox. Do. Ayun.
Yay!
Mommy is not good at this.
I don't have
Yuppie,
patience.
Here.
Yay!
Why am I always doing this? Cheers.
Hope. Go!
I hope it's different. Oh my gosh!
Yay!
Oh my gosh! OMG.
Sana makompleto natin. How about kay Hope kaya?
I
Hindi natin
hope
ang kay
it's
Hope.
not the same.
What's that?
Wow! It's Hello Kitty! Yes, copy me. Copy me. We can almost complete it.
Already?
Yay!
Yay!
Go!
Pag ito, sana.
Ay, this is cinnamon roll!
Hope.
Oh my gosh!
Ano?
Oh my gosh! It's funny!
Oh, it's okay. Nagkara pa yung kapalit dyan.
Meron tayong double. You almost!
So, ang kulang lang natin si Pochoco.
Cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon.
Mami,
Saka ito, yung yellow. Sino yan?
Hindi meron si Puchaco.
Oo nga pala. Pochoco. Ging.
It's okay.
Yeah.
I think we can make a Ferris wheel.
Oh, pwede na. Pero sige. Wow. Yay.
Yeah, but I have to mine. I think I like is this.
Bye-bye na.
This. Bye-bye.
Bye.
What about the Ferris wheel?
Sige, gawin mo na. Bye! So, natapos na namin ang Ferris wheel at Sanrio Jollibee. I hope you enjoyed watching our video. Thank you so much. Bye!
There's instructions. You can subscribe
Bye.
daw. You can subscribe daw.
Sinabi niya. Hey, Sanrio character is here. Okay.